Hi people, welcome back to my channel. So today we made up a flour. Okay, I'll be mixing this with pidgin English so a lot of people will understand this. Okay, so in a pot you pour in your up flour, then you go in with your freshly processed palm oil. Like, you need good palm oil for this upper, and upper flour or making upper requires good amounts of oil. After adding your palm oil to your flour, then you start mixing the palm oil and flour all together so that the oil and the palm oil will marry themselves so they will incorporate all together. Okay, so you have to do like this. Where the work is, you have to mix and mix and mix to get the colors all together so that they would align together. You understand? Then you go in with your lukewarm water. Please, the water has to be lukewarm, not cold water, not very hot water, because when you use very hot water, it will has lots of lump in it. When you use cold water, I think the same thing, but lukewarm water. But please, in my video you will notice that my water was more than the flour. Okay, if you're doing yours, please make it bit by bit, like add the water bit by bit. So the water was too much, and I had to use my pistol to mix it very well to get the consistency I wanted. Then I went in with my salt, and I also stirred the salt together so that the salt will mix thoroughly, or will mix very well into the mixture of the Okpa paste and all that. So I went in with my salt, and I went in with my fresh pepper, fresh blended pepper. If you like too much pepper, you can add more pepper. So I went in with my pepper. I stirred very well so that the pepper too will go into it. So you don't need too much for making Okpa. You just need the Okpa flour, fresh palm oil, salt, and pepper. Okpa flour, fresh palm oil, salt, and pepper. So you can use leaves to make your okpa flour. You can use pouch, moi pouch, and other things to make your okpa flour. But I wanted that enugu okpa flour, that enugu looking okpa flour. So I went in with nylon to give me the shape of what I wanted. Okay, so I had to tie this and keep it aside. That was how I tied, and I got the number and quantity of okpa flour I wanted. So in a pot of boiling water, you go in with your already tied okpa flour. But if you notice from this video, I had to shake the okpa flour before putting them into the pot of that boiling water. Why did I do this? I did this because while tying it, some of them, they've settled. The okpa flour tied in this nylon have settled down already. So you need to shake it so that the mixture will combine thoroughly, very well, before putting them down into the water. Okay, so it is very, very important. So when you're done with this, you now cover your pot. Okay, cover your pot and allow it to simmer, allow it to boil. If you have a very large quantity of okpa, then you know the amount of water you'll be needing in the pot, but you'll be checking it from time to time. You can give it 30 minutes to know how to see if it's ready. So what matters is just the quantity of your okpa, of the okpa you are making, that you will check to know the time you will give it. The more the okpa, the more the time. Okay, so when you're done with all these things, you just cover it, allow it to boil, and check it with something, or you can even from it with your eye, you will see it. So before you know it, your okpa is ready. Your okpa is ready. When you try this method, please, when you use this method, use the comment section. Okay, and if you're new to my page, please subscribe to my page, encourage me. If you're looking for where to buy okpa flour, please check us out. We sell okpa flour. You can check us on Emily's Food on Facebook, Instagram, and what have you, or you can reach us on WhatsApp on 08169680414 to get your quality, premium, pure okpa flour that we don't mix anything. It is our okpa flour that we sell, that we use to make this food. So we cannot give you something we don't eat. So check us out today and patronize us. Thank you guys for the love and support. Okay, please, when you use this method, leave a comment in my YouTube channel, or leave a comment here and say I did this and I loved it. Okay, thank you guys, because when we made this, it was so nice. It came out so fine. From the video you can see it very fine. Very fine. Try this method and say thank you to me when you are done, okay? Bye, guys. I love you. Support me. Subscribe. Bye.